Good evening, District 187. We are over a month into the school year and things are going great. A big thanks to all of you, our families who get your students to school ready to learn. We have some important opportunities for you to partner with us to support your children's learning and well-being, as well as to help the district plan for the future. I hope you'll take advantage of these opportunities. First, helping us plan for the future. D187 is looking at how to prepare the district's current buildings to meet the needs of our students and staff in the future. Several exciting developments within the district led us to this effort, including the brand new $40 million middle school, learning that D187 won a U.S. Department of Defense construction grant to rebuild Forrestal School, and the district's $30 million facilities project currently underway, improving all of our schools. We're doing another round of community engagement to get your input on how the district's current buildings will meet the needs of our students and staff in the future, and I hope you will join the conversation. Please come be heard at a focus group. Join us for one of these groups, Tuesday the 3rd at NIMSA, Wednesday the 4th at Green Bay, or Tuesday the 10th at NIMSA. All of these are going to be from 5 to 7 p.m., and we're going to serve dinner and provide childcare at all of these. We're going to hold 2 focus groups each night, one in English and one in Spanish. Also, in addition to the focus groups, we hope you'll complete a brief survey to gather your input on the future of our buildings so that you can find that on the D187 website. Surveys are available in Spanish and in English, and they're going to be available between Thursday the 29th and Tuesday, October 10th. So please go to our website for links to both the English and the Spanish surveys. Then there's another important conversation, this time with your children's teachers. Families are essential to their children's success in school, and families and educators need to collaborate to support each other in this important work. Please join us for parent and teacher conferences Thursday, October 5th or Friday, October 6th. Reach out to your child's teacher or the school if you need more information about times or how to schedule a conference. We'd love to see 100% of our families at conferences this year. So we hope to see you at parent conferences October 5th and 6th and at one of our focus groups October 3rd, 4th, and 10th. Be sure to complete the brief survey to help us plan for the future by going to our website or using the link. And thank you for being active and engaged in the work that we do and in your children's education. Our children's success is really everyone's success, so thank you for being involved in the education of District 187. Good night.